Are you ready to uncover hidden treasures? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, the right metal detector can make all the difference in your search for valuable finds. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best metal detectors of 2025, selected for their precision, depth capabilities, and user-friendly features. Backhand index pointing right. Stay tuned until the end, because our number 1 pick will take your treasure hunting game to the next level. Number 5. The Fisher F22 Weatherproof Metal Detector is an exceptional choice for both beginner and intermediate treasure hunters seeking reliability and performance in a variety of environments. Featuring a 9-inch weatherproof coil, this metal detector is built to handle the elements, allowing users to hunt in light rain and wet conditions without fear of damage. It boasts high-sensitivity technology, making it an effective tool for detecting a wide range of metals, from coins and relics to jewelry, even at greater depths. Whether you're hunting in the park, beach, or your backyard, the Fisher F22 delivers consistent and reliable results. One of the standout features of the Fisher F22 is its pinpoint functionality, which helps you accurately locate targets without wasting time digging in the wrong spots. With a clear, easy-to-read interface, it ensures users, even those new to metal detecting, can quickly grasp its settings and get started on their treasure hunt. The detector also includes multiple search modes, giving you flexibility to adapt to different environments and metal types, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Weighing in at just 2.3 pounds, the Fisher F22 is lightweight and ergonomically designed, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. It's ideal for long sessions of detecting without causing fatigue, making it an excellent choice for newcomers who need a comfortable yet powerful tool to explore with. With all these features packed into a budget-friendly model, the Fisher F22 is a fantastic choice for those looking to dive into the world of metal detecting. Number 4. The PANCKY Metal Detectors for adults is a professional-grade metal detector that brings impressive accuracy and a wide array of features for serious treasure hunters. With its advanced DSP chip and 10-inch coil, it offers excellent depth and sensitivity, allowing users to find valuable items such as gold, coins, jewelry, and relics. This detector's higher accuracy ensures that you're locating targets with precision, even in challenging environments. A standout feature of the PANCKY Metal Detector is its waterproof capability. Whether you're hunting along the beach or in shallow waters, you don't have to worry about the weather or terrain. The 5 search modes provide flexibility, allowing you to tailor the detection to different environments and metal types, giving you the best results no matter where you're searching. Additionally, the LCD display clearly shows information like target depth, sensitivity level, and battery life, making it easy to monitor your progress and adjust settings as needed. Designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind, this detector is user-friendly and highly customizable. The 10-inch coil provides excellent coverage, making it easier to scan large areas quickly. Whether you're a hobbyist or a more seasoned detectorist, the PANCKY PK0075 offers solid performance and features at a competitive price point. Lightweight, reliable, and packed with powerful technology, this metal detector is perfect for those looking to take their detecting game to the next level. Number 3. The MINELAB X-Terra PRO is a top-tier, waterproof metal detector designed for both beginners and seasoned treasure hunters. With its 3 detect modes, it offers incredible versatility, allowing you to search for a variety of metals, including coins, jewelry, relics, and more. Whether you're on land, at the beach, or near shallow waters, the X-Terra PRO can handle it all with ease, providing the ideal balance between depth and sensitivity. One of its standout features is its waterproof capability, which makes it a perfect choice for those who like to hunt in wet conditions or along riverbeds. The coils are fully submersible, and the machine itself is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it a durable choice for long-lasting adventures. The adjustable sensitivity allows you to fine-tune your detection, ensuring that you can find even the smallest treasures buried deep underground. The 3 detect modes, coin, all metal, and beach mode, ensure you're equipped for any environment, making this detector an excellent all-purpose tool. The LCD display is easy to read and offers useful information such as signal strength and target depth. Plus, with its lightweight design, the X-Terra PRO is comfortable to use for extended periods, ensuring you won't get fatigued on long detection sessions. Number 2. The Garrett ACE 300 is a standout metal detector designed for adults, combining advanced features with an easy-to-use design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. This detector comes with a waterproof coil that allows you to search in a variety of environments, from beaches to rivers, giving you more versatility in your hunts. Equipped with all-metal detection, the ACE 300 provides reliable and precise results, allowing you to detect a wide range of metals, including coins, relics, jewelry, and more. The advanced target ID system helps differentiate between types of metals, while its adjustable sensitivity allows you to optimize your search depth, ensuring you're not missing any valuable finds. The ACE 300 comes with a clear LCD display, making it easy to identify the target's depth, metal type, and signal strength. This feature helps you make informed decisions during your hunt and reduces the chances of digging up unwanted objects. Additionally, the 3 search modes, jewelry, coin, and all metal, provide great flexibility, so you can customize your search based on the type of treasure you're looking for. Included with the Garrett ACE 300 are headphones and a variety of useful accessories, giving you everything you need to start your treasure hunting journey right away, whether you're searching in your backyard or at a beach. This metal detector provides a solid combination of performance and reliability, making it an excellent choice for treasure enthusiasts. Number 1. The MINELAB Equinox 800 is a top-of-the-line metal detector designed for adults, offering advanced multi-frequency technology for unparalleled depth, accuracy, and versatility. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, jewelry, or even gold, the Equinox 800 is built to excel in all terrains, land, beach, or underwater, thanks to its waterproof design up to 10 feet. Equipped with the EQX 11-inch Double D Smart Coil, this detector offers improved ground coverage, greater sensitivity, and better target identification. The multi-frequency technology allows you to search with multiple frequencies simultaneously, making it incredibly efficient for various types of targets, from fine jewelry to larger, deeper relics. This multi-frequency capability gives the Equinox 800 an edge over many single-frequency detectors by maximizing your chances of detecting different metals at varying depths. The Equinox 800 features 4 detect modes: park, field, beach, and gold, which help you optimize your search depending on the environment. It's also equipped with advanced target ID and ground balance settings that help eliminate interference and identify valuable targets with precision. The wireless headphones included make for a more seamless and comfortable detecting experience, allowing you to hear every signal loud and clear. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned detectorist, this metal detector is a fantastic choice for serious treasure hunters. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best metal detectors of 2025. Hopefully, you've found the perfect tool to kickstart your treasure hunting adventures. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Backhand index pointing right. Drop a comment below. Which metal detector are you most excited to try? Or let us know about any awesome finds you've discovered. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting!